What's up guys, welcome to the Art of Crypto's 1 minute trades. In this episode, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, and we have just broken below this low with this move right here, which means we have already broken a micro level structure on the 4 hourly, which means right now we are potentially in a downtrend right now. So here's the trade that I'm going to want to take. Now, if we just zoom on to the 1 hourly chart, we can see that this massive move down right here was preceded by this last bullish candle. This means that this bullish candle is what you call an order block, which means an area where institutions are going to be looking to short at. Right now, the price of Bitcoin has come exactly back to the order block, and it seems that we are going down from here. So by the time you're watching this, if the Bitcoin price falls below 34,000, then you know that this order block has done its job and the price of Bitcoin will most likely go back down to the low 30Ks. If you want a detailed analysis on this move, I did a 20-minute video on my channel. You're going to want to check it out. And if you want more videos like this, make sure you drop the subscribe button.